What's the meaning of ardent? Ardent. Ardent.
Ardent. Ardent. The word ardent is an adjective that describes someone or something that is passionate, enthusiastic, and devoted. It suggests a strong emotional connection or fervent dedication to a particular person, idea, or cause. An ardent individual is highly driven, motivated, and expressive in pursuit of their goals. Such a person is willing to go to great lengths to achieve what they want, often exhibiting intense emotions along the way. Overall, ardent suggests a level of vehemence and intensity that is characterized by deep and unwavering commitment.